Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to level up commanders fast in Rise of Kingdoms. Leveling up commanders quickly in Rise of Kingdoms mainly relies on using Tomes of Knowledge, a key resource that can be found in many areas of the game. You can earn them through daily objectives, event rewards, expedition modes, barbarian forts, alliance rallies, and a VIP shop, making it easy to steadily gather enough to upgrade your commanders. Once you have your tomes, open the commander menu, select the green level up button, and use the quick level option to efficiently apply them. Remember, increasing a commander's star level is also essential, as it allows further progression, and store upgrades require specific materials found in taverns, bundles, or other game features. By consistently collecting tombs and managing upgrades wisely, you can rapidly strengthen your commanders and boost your overall power in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.